Hi again. So I'm still working in the kitchen, trying to get through all of those berries that I picked yesterday. So I've just finished the strawberry syrup. You saw me earlier making the raspberry. This is the strawberry. This is a kilo of strawberries, a vanilla pod and the juice of a lemon cooked down with a cup of honey. So I'm about to jar that up. But before I do, I want to get my last batch on. Now my last batch is going to be strawberry, rhubarb and gooseberry. So I want to start off with the rhubarb. Rhubarb is a lot more fibrous and it's going to take longer to cook down. So into that I'm going to add a cup of water and a cup of, actually I'm going to do more than a cup. I'm using 1.5 kilos of fruit weight. So I'm going to put 1.5 cups of honey, 1.5 cups of sugar. But I'm going to start off cooking down the rhubarb and then I'm going to add the gooseberries and the strawberries. So it was great. That's all of my gooseberries and then my strawberries. I'm going to add some lemon into that because the acidity brings out the sugar in the syrup. And I think for this I'm going to add some ginger as well. Ginger goes really well, especially with rhubarb, but gooseberries as well, and with all of them basically. So I'm going to add, I've still got some ginger that I grew in my garden in Costa Rica. And I ground it and dehydrated it and ground it and brought it back with me. So I'm going to put some of that in here and start cooking it down, and I'll let you know how it turns out later. Oh, I'm also going to put, I've got 1.5 pods of vanilla, so I'm going to add that in as well. So I'll come back to you later.